Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super handy trick for making your Notion pages clearer and more visually appealing. Adding arrows. Whether you want to direct attention, highlight a workflow, or simply jazz up your notes, arrows can really make a difference. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to add arrows to Notion, but you'll understand which method works best for your style and needs. Let's dive right in. The first method is really simple, but I want to walk you through it step by step so there's no confusion. Wherever you want the arrow to appear, maybe in a list, a heading, or just between blocks, click into the spot and type emoji. This forward slash is used all over Notion for commands, and in this case, it pulls up the emoji menu quickly. Once you type emoji, you'll see the emoji picker pop up. Now, here's where you focus. Type the word arrow into the search bar of the menu. Instantly, you'll see a selection of arrows: right, left, up, down, curved, double-headed, all sorts of styles to pick from. Take a moment here, scan the arrows. Think about which one works best for your note. For example, if you're building a to-do list that goes from step 1 to step 2, maybe a simple rightward arrow is perfect. If you want to show branching choices, maybe a double arrow or a curved one would be more clear. Just click the arrow you want, and boom, Notion inserts it directly where your cursor was. It's that easy. This menu also helps if you want to add other decorative icons, so get comfortable poking around. It's a goldmine for making your workspace more engaging. Now, maybe you'd prefer an even more direct shortcut. There's another method, and honestly, this one is great if you already know the emoji code you want. Let's say you've added emojis to your workspace before. Good news, this will feel familiar. Just type a colon, then the word arrow. So that looks like arrow. As you type, Notion will start auto-suggesting all the arrows that match. It's a little faster because you skip the menu and just get straight results. Again, take a few seconds to scan through the list and click the one you like. Some arrows even have variations like color or style, so you can match the vibe of your page. I should mention, don't worry if you can't find the exact arrow style you had in mind. Not all desktop emojis are available in Notion, but most major types are here. And if your page looks a little off for a second, sometimes you need to click away or refresh for the emoji to appear correctly. Don't worry, that's perfectly normal. So just to recap, you have two fast methods for adding arrows to Notion. The first is emoji, then search for the arrow and pick your favorite. The second is arrow, then choose from the list. Notion suggests. Both help you direct attention, clarify your information, and visually organize any Notion page, whether you're building databases, writing notes, or mapping out projects. Give these a try and see what feels easiest for you. And if you have questions or want more Notion tips, let me know in the comments. I read all of them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please smash that like button, share the video with someone who loves Notion, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.